Hi, Ruben Luna here. I'm going to walk you through our latest dance. It's called Heart, Body, and Soul, 32 count, 4-wall beginner dance with no tags, no restarts. This is choreography with Yvonne Anderson, Ira Weisburd, and myself, Ruben Luna. So first off, we're going to start with a weight on your right. You're going to do a cross rock left over right, recover onto the right, into a shuffle to the left, step, together, step. We're going to do the same thing, only to the opposite side. Cross right over left, recover onto the left, into a shuffle to the right, step, together, step. Next, we're going to do a weave to the right with a sweep. So cross left in front of right, right to right side, left behind right, into a sweep. We're going to step the right behind the left, quarter turn left, step the left foot forward, right foot forward, lock left behind right, lock foot forward. Next, we're going to do a rocking chair, starting with the left, rock forward, recover back on the right, rock back left, recover onto the right. 2 quarter pivot turns to the right. Step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. Our weight should be on your right foot. We're going to do 2 cross points, starting with the left, cross left in front of right, point right to the right side, cross right in front of left, point left to the left side. Next, we're going to cross rock left over right, recover back to the right, step to the left side with the hip to the side, and then sway their hip to the right side. That would end the dance. With the counts, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you start the dance again. That's Heart, Body, and Soul, 32 count beginner dance, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts, choreographed by Yvonne Anderson, Ruben Luna, and Ira Weisburd.